The engines of Sodor, for its type, are the most famous in Britain, and the Northwestern Railway is the power behind the docks and bench lines make up the world renowned on the island of Sodor. These are the Sudrian engines. The year was 1968. The British Railways had proceeded to set up to trial a new diesel named D199, meaning James had to do Henry's work and D199 did James's work. Well, took you long enough. I've been waiting here half an hour. Well, there was trouble in the shed. I'm here now, aren't I? Well, have you seen that new bus box on wheels? I have. I had the displeasure of meeting him as well. I'll pay to see a hat get stuck in his ear intake. Well, no point of dawdling. Got to go now. See you later. Well, cheerio. Time to backtrack a little bit. The mainline fleet had received Henry's temporary replacement, Diesel 199. It was a good worker, no mistake. It had the strong prodigious for steam engines. Our number 5 made good time along the main line. What in fizzling fireboxes? Well, such a lovely train, James. Is it second class or third? Built off whale. Bugger, took me blooming path. Well, you're in the file mood. What's up? That blooming spam can took my fucking path. Now I'm gonna be dawdling all the way to Crow Skate. Well, that's a serious violation. I'll tell the fast controller, don't worry about it. Well, who's the failure on wheels now? Get this spam can out of here now! Spam can? Well, it'll take me to no plot to you. He was fuming good and proper, let me tell you. Such karma, well deserved. I took his train to Barrow, he complained and moaned. All the way, wasn't built up.